How many videos have you recorded and edited without posting it just because you think it's not perfect yet? This video is for you. Let's talk about it gently and calmly. Hi, I'm Amber and this is Grow with Amber. A lot of people don't often go on YouTube, not because they're not talented, but because they're waiting for that perfect video, that perfect background, that perfect lighting. They're waiting for that perfect, speech. They're waiting to compete with those top creators who must have gone through the baby stages and now they are now experts in talking to the camera. They're experts in expressing themselves freely, and you think you can now measure yourself up to them. No, everything starts in a day and it starts with a process. But here is the truth: confidence does not come before you start. Confidence comes because you started. It's okay for your voice to feel shaky in your first video. Your editing may be choppy. Your lighting may not look like the big YouTubers out there, and that is okay. That is very fine, just like mine is doing now. Mind you, this is not even my first channel. This is the second channel that I'm creating, but because this is a talking head, it's as if it's now a new adventure to me. Remember that this page or this channel is all about growing with me. So whosoever that is with me, start your journey today. Your lighting may not look like the big YouTubers out there, but that's okay. You're learning in real time. Do not forget that. So whatever effort that you make out there, whatever effort, whatever video that you post out there, is still a process. You're learning in real time. Here's the thing, think about it. Did a baby learn to walk just by reading it? That's not possible. And that is a no. One step at a time, and you get there. They stood, they balanced, and they failed, and they also tried again and again and again until they were stable. They began to stand. After standing, now baby walk. They started their baby walk, and now we are adults. We passed through that level, right? So we accept babies learning slowly with love and patience. Why don't we give ourselves that same gentle grace? You do not need to be perfect, you just need to start up from somewhere. Start up from somewhere. Now, let's make this practical. Here is how to start without stress. 1. Start filming in one location. Do not feel bad about your background. That's one thing that I have learned over time on YouTube. Most of the time, people even like raw, they like it raw and original, so they can have a true human feeling, a true human connection. So it's okay to start wherever you know you can start. Just bring out a location and just start up. Don't overthink background. Talk like you're talking to yourself. How do you talk to yourself? When you're talking to yourself, do you talk confidently to yourself, or do you talk with so much fright in you? Okay, just assume that you're talking to your friend, you're talking to your best friend. How do you talk? When you're gossiping, when you're gisting, how do you relate with them? How do you talk? Confidently? Do you shake? Remember, nobody's looking at you, you're just talking to your camera. So just assume that you're talking to yourself through the mirror, or you're talking to your best friend whom you have so much confidence in. Edit simply. Do just small cuts and join. Just start up somewhere. Edit. Just give your video simple editing. Maybe with time you can now start adjusting things and let the transition begin. If you don't go through this process, how would you tell the story? How would you tell them? How would you tell people out there how you started? We are all telling a story. So make sure you add captions and also export, so people can know what your video is all about. The one reason why you have to add caption is so that people who do not understand English, or who do not understand what you're saying verbally or orally, they can read through your captions to understand what that video is all about, and they can even follow you without even knowing what you're even saying from your mouth. But through what they are reading on your caption, they already know. You can just write anything, just do simple editing, and there you go. Upload it. Do not be tempted to watch it 20 times before you post. Just upload it. Close your eye. Upload the video and then you go to sleep. Like, go to bed. Do not watch 20 times. Do not think about it. Just post. Upload. You can decide to walk away, drink water, step away, do whatever that makes you happy. Do whatever that takes your mind off it. Just go your way and YouTube takes over. Simple and short. Let the growth happen after the upload, not before the upload. The world is not waiting for a perfect you. The world is waiting for a human who has feelings, who is coming with all originality, who is coming with all sincerity. Everyone to their story. Your realness is your advantage. In all totality, the world is waiting for a human who comes in all their sincerity. Come tell your story in the most original way. If you're ready to start gently, subscribe and also like this video. I'll be here to guide you all the way. Just ask and I'll be at your fingertip. This is Grow with Amber again. See you next time.